All right. And yamu bibia kwaba and from Okoman 97.1 Okoman Global Sports. And so yetimi atena say United to enjoy a very fantastic weekend. Yes, and ajua yasiapa brand new week and in the year extra so and then on the 11th of April 2022 na Osho Brenna Simanai etimi abapa aye John Konho na ide atena sene saguri emunsem etwegu ewo Ghana ha abibrem ana afin so no eye abrochimemu ye ba betena sene edi nkomo na enen sam ofie ha papa ebe domo asuko na afin so yetumi abobo ho ni nyina ntumi amba ekena ebe ba na afin so ya beto aso onim se the Ghana version of El Clasico enu ata etime tojwa enso no ewo Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium na it's the heart of folk ekopie mu ewo Kumasi on the crop here Kumasi Asante Koroko etimi boy na game the corner we no na Koroko so na dinkunim over heart of folk etimi aboa amakoroko league on best on channel ometimi akon edi akoma ni mani o ma stand lead no and also and controversies elba game no ho amanfo chiro ma jim and so no etimi dia fa ho eba na ya bedin and komo sansona ene Emmanuel eye tego game boy na no da ko jina mo boxing I just said I said am fa kuku etumi ekọ ede ma brante Emmanuel the game boy tego and so be mu ni abedi ehon so enkomo na me hu say Isaac Dogbe to be ma game boy say o tactics na strategy a or call about ni ma and said emfatasa ye be na ye de hu nkomo enso ofia Manchester City and Liverpool etumi apo 2-2 na United so timi tena wasa Everton team ya practice say pansami Lampard baye and say one victory pe and wanya say United kaba kwa United anti yebe kwa monane na krobia dia manane sam enso etimi apa na yepa efisem so no yetimi abedi ntie ne no nkoma yeba be twetwe no enso eno no executive producer Yera Kofi Anton Bafo Samson head of sports producer extraordinaire Nana Kofi Okori Ajiman boy chidom abo ansem ne nyina no edi amaya yanso no yedi eguo enso etimi edi amaya tie4 sana me kan crop ya sante wa ha DJ Zigibi Samson ne no listo omoboa na no damia DJ Vibes Samson na Abigail mo writer commentator enso boy chidom se ne producer ne e wo show no so na face bibia enso no etimi akoso kama midin Kelvin Amponsah Addi obetima frame AK ana ya joy di ana yesa ma nyina AK enso enemy ebehwe na face yetimi edin sama wodo no nyina enso no etimi dia ba ewo dwumadi no so a enso no enye feri agrantino no pack but obetima join here live on Facebook. Yes, obetima join here live on Facebook no kwa Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook obekon na fin so no wa like page no share na fofron so no entumi enya binhwe na also wetumi do comment etumi dia to abrepem ebepa na bekenkan ni nyina enso no etumi ade ama sang so na ene no YouTube so no Okoman Radio 97.1 YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 also kwa subscribe ya na se wa follow jumadi ne kama na bibia so no let me aboa na jumadi no so I fine WhatsApp SMS and also no utumi ere badia na say Okoman WhatsApp number no WhatsApp number 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755 and I say 0270 191 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 also no bet me the WhatsApp message and I face on SMS area but send you no ada who games ahodo ni nyina enso etumi FIA Krobia Sante wa ha atena se mame mana kwaba Krobia ama kwaba
okay
Krobia Sante weekend thing never for you
Bibia kama bedo body ase se weekend yi nyina no eke yakoni nemu a ye wo se ye nyina ya ye ase gina ye nanso aba pie mu dia na che aseda eyo body ne de o se papa oboni o yemfa aseda ema no ntidi ekoyie ene de ankoyie nyina no so na ye de aseda ene ayeyi ene neyi ensempa na ye ka che yen janyame ba ko pe aye ne yokurekura ye mu a nteke bibia ye fine weekend no na ye ni namu na eja football ni ade nsu ni namu
aha so weekend na ye Agnes of Ruedu.
Yes.
On the New Paul Brown. Yes. Waja. Abukoba. Yes.
Abukoba.
Ewe brew. You know kwa boy na yene course na receiving country so da Okoman for ase papa.
Yes.
Or the tifu be boy no be supporting ni nyina ase. Yakupon shuru bibia nti na weekend na say na Rani abre na na for so by papa nti no yenzu yenchi na for na be supporting no Gladys and Eunice mo Sandra mo Ima yes Ima yenchi cho mu nyina na say mo bo ama bibia 5 Paul Brown so ginam ma bibia saba mo ana ma Julie yes ma Julie so support Jumedi no ma
Emranti a wo mu be pie mu ho o mo be bo achene ne ade ma bibia ye kama na things side a wo mu fie kropon nso no wo mu ye bibia ma wo mu ti wo mu anim kama ntino ye bedo bibia ye nyina ye beda ye ho ase se ye boy na ene bibia nso no etumi akoso kama bansem wo ho
nsem wo ba ayi weekend nso ayi pabi nso ware we do krom pabi nso ware we do krom ntino you nyere just a weekend na busy weekend no you ida ntino pabi nso no chess do bibia ase said memeda no so say oye ni feeder na memeda mu am be supporting ni nyina mu be ja ni nyina no pabi so Mr. Ntino odamu nyina ase yakupo kira papa
we a wo hwa aka be wo mfia hena wo so Mr. Egi
hina ba
oh mo Egi wo
hina ba
my one bebre pina ya mo adwiri se
my one do wo
munya wo mo be ware ne ade a
se wo be hu wo abontin so wo be so ware ne ade but one steady one ye na wo kofa bibi wo to so on sa ware ne do nya ware wie pe
esi
o sa we chenye ye o kwa Bible Quran so ware jai so
yes
ntino nya sa we chenye ntino wanye careful no
se wo hwemu yie
wa manya kopon bua wa njinya ne apa kwa bia na kofa to ho sense so we chenye miguso ni adia
aka be ye wonfia wa o de wuhwemu wa o de wuhwemu aka be na ema maybe adamfu bia onu ni hu se de wa wo ne no we ye nam no
so me madam go no be so ware betuma ware ayame na wa share ya ware she o chen se igi ba ware ansa na ware yo abo ahun dia se bi onu no obi
okay
onu no obi to betuma se de eja akona mo bro
anu ye den
akona mo bro nkwa me tom sweater na ma she anu den so gugu sweater Friday no so wo zo hu na sweater na me
we can have any day
we wan
ba
you know
I win mu akwe ya se mo kin
Asi nya bi o se
wan ba na wunye bia nyina ba na nka opese wunya enwa ya din o enwa ya din papa
you know grab ya
ensem wo ho yes udi weni e che Europe ensem wo ho unim se Abranta your friend no Agent Robin was retired from football,
former Chelsea player,
Bayern Munich,
Real Madrid,
yes was retired from football just last season. Abroku Pimu or Groningen or Dutch Eredivisie anymore. Na Abranta and retired no ahwe mo no say the word sports ejuma wo mu ye all inclusive disciplines was sport mu together your friend of sport no ohun ne ho say etuso film sesi ya enti Abranta no asanga pe new sporter eni wadwene yes odi mu egori enti wan hwe ni ya the next Olympics ayebetumi akono yebetumi ehun Abranta friend no Agent Robin this time enye football no bo ne moma ye different way kra yes ano Abranta no ewo mu nti no Agent Robin so etumi aka no tego no wan bo no humodin o
game boy nya de
wan bo no humodin because uhwemu a 34 at the age of 34 as against 24 day say sometimes who obey 40 50 hodia see 30 for no shiwa ye betumi aka se bia wo strength when because of age age factor but okay 34 day menye ni say 34 day age factor biya be mu ha. Oh okay, 34 years versus 24.
Obi asane message say me kan wine ba no. Oh no. I want money too.
I want for money. O ka sana wan ka say ya. You o ka say nya na o dwi fie hu.
Me pass oh.
Okay.
But I Robin issue, no.
Yeah.
I think going into another discipline, no. So no, be no. If you say football near enough, you know, or going to another discipline, never buano. Also, football is more retire na golf on there, no. Omope. Golf no omope. And you know, discipline be come here buano. You just talk of wrestling and ibia.
Again, it is here and you take on to the Game
Boy issue, no dear. I will say Storm Dogbe. I say Dogbe.
Antonio was
yeah.
Antonio was no do any na variety and sutien.
You're welcome. Now, I'm on an seminar by a banner. You're going to details. When you say the weekend, the Ghana Premier League to Division 1. And so, no, it may cost Women's Premier League. So, now I have a boss to tell. Now, just say, you have a doing come off here. Now, controversies now Dawson. Controversies now Dawson. Hard to game no. Yes, game no. You be doing come up. You be doing come up. And you know, Yanko. Now, Finson, I'm on an Sam. Yansono, Yentumi, and Famra.
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio. No hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? ¡Gio! ¡Golazo!
Okoman Radio.
Apago la luz y me voy. ¡Golazo! ¿Qué me importa que me asesinen la garganta?
Right, Okoman 97.1. Okoman Global Sports and a bread do say the creme de la creme tidbit around the world of sports no. And so a bed down our hanomo and there Okoman Global Sports and a Sabrino yede and seminino and so the Ebremu Edino Krobia Asante Nana Kofi Okori Ajimai together with AK and the writer commentator and so Abuan Seminano Abon Sebede Semen Quantin Crow Namefa among folk crosun semino and so Enfembe Gua and Fama Yeti for any for reproduction rumor Sanso Anazgibi any list to woman so Ebwa ama other footage in Ebe Kunina Nina woman so Ebwa se bibianso no ebetumi aye kama enti udwani feed na and also uko Facebook Okoman 97.1 Okoman 97.1 Facebook na also wetumi eje etwemu hono ubetun ya fesuo any teams no de course nyina no also betumi adwani YouTube no and so Okoman Radio 97.1 YouTube na bibianso no etumi aye kama ensem no ya bono se bede edos yie papa na ehuhia se onso oteno ana sabri no yedi ni nyina enso eba begu yebesha asie fin se ba kumienu ansana akwhwe major 5 European leagues and also etumi ekoso over the weekends no yakwhwe results APM any other reactions and also etumi APM yebeko na yakore former Chelsea and ene Bayern Munich international Brantia ene no last season and also etumi retire from football Brantia your friend no agent Robin and the 7-year-old man and also etumi adwene ene no marathon say ene mriketuo pa and also ebetumi etu ewo honoma also etumi akwadwene the Dutch national team woman so etu mrika ewo honomo na ukopiemu adano Saturday no anase memenda no ukopiemu ewo ene Rotterdam abrante no etumi adwene marathon racer and also etumi ekoso ewo honomo na abrante no modern no na impenifo eche ene said report no eba no na eyadia and also esueni ye papa eneno 69 minutes longer than enedi abrantia ononso etumi ewini ye no na eche abrantia ne modembo ewe ne marathon ni mu no enso etumi ekoyie papa 42.995 kilometers and abrantia no etumi ekọ na eche 37 years ba wo hwe eneno uko Facebook a obehu abrantia no agent Robin football for no de munim no ene bebi a wakọ akọdwen no enso eye emriketu abrantia no enso ebo ne homodin el hono a wo hwe se ne we Jennifer na ene number ebo nenim kese pa na brantie no ekọ na wo hwese ne one mrantie no ekọ a utum se brantie no so no ene obọ ne homodin yie papa e ho no ma ene ekopie mu e wo Rotterdam last Saturday na brantie no so etumi ebo ne homodin a marathon nim no wo mo kyerese ne modin bo no enso etumi esu eni yie papa as expected a na wo mo hwehwe edi efi brantie no ne nsem a eno so efi agent Robin ho a ye de ensem ni nyina no enso etuga ho last weekend ni mu a ana brantie ba kwa ye friend Emmanuel Tego ono so Game Boy Tego na ye de friend no ne mra ni din no enso eno no ano ne American boxer ye friend Rani Garcia enso ekopie mu ewe ne America United States of America wo mkokwen ewo Texas ana sa boxing no enso etumi eba so ho na brantie no enso 12 rounds ni nyina ana wo mutumi ekoya abrantie no so no etumi elusi on the 12th round no ana abrantie ye friend Ryan Garcia no etumi ebo ne hwewa bibia enso etumi ekoye de ma American boxer ye friend Ryan Garcia ono so enya nkunumdie no over Ghana boxer ye friend Emmanuel Tego ni fifi din no enso Game Boy Tego intino eno so dia ekoye no na odwan ni Facebook ana say YouTube Okoman 97.1 ubehun say dia ene video no zigi enso ebeboa from pictures no ubehun say video no so eda ho no a kwanga abranta ye friend Ryan Garcia so etumi enock down Ghanaian boxer no Emmanuel Tego no ni nyina enso etwegu ewo social media no so ho no a won so kwa obetumi anyani na won so wetumi ahwe bisa abranta ne modemo no esoeni anase ansoeni no ni nyina won so obetumi ehu na won so comment section no wo de comment so etumi aba upia comment no so a wo comment wi ana wetumi like na won so wetumi emi share ama wunu anso no etumi enjoy show no said the man so no esi ekoye ho na bibia so no etumi aye kama ho yenda yeni ni enkohwe games a ekoso ewo Europe no unim say top 5 major European leagues no ene matches do na ana eguso ekoso enche na ye the season ni nyina no enso eba na wie ni yenko French League Emmanuel Macron ni kromu na league no etumi aye feye papa wo hwe players a wasensan a na chese emu ode papa na say na results no so no etumi eko ifiada ene ne memeda ni kwesi ada so ni nyina no results no say na eno so etie Lauren etumi ehye ka no insia ama sentete en so no etumi etimu mienu Stade de Reims enso etina fie ehye mienu ama Stade Rennais enso ekohye o meka ne miensa no ma wo monso enya da away victory wo monso ede eko Kamadin Sulemana ya brantie Ghanaian born international ono so entumi feature due to injury ono so enya Emantego ni no abrantie no entumi ambosa game ni bia ni team no ekwa away a wo monso etumi wini no ma bibia so no etumi kama Clermont Foot no enso etumi ehye ba kuma Paris Saint-Germain enso etumi ehye wo meka no pore ensia no ma Neymar da Silva dos Santos no etumi ebo hat-trick sanso ana Kylian Mbappe Lotin ono so enya hat-trick sanso ana Lionel Andre Messi Leo Pochettino ono so etumi enya hat-trick of assist ana ono so etumi ede boy no ma bibia so no etumi kama na sa game we no ana ukopue mu just after the game no ube se time ana Messi ene Mbappe ene Neymar wo mu nyina no wo mu eko no ube se Neymar ekura ne ball ne hat-trick ball no ono so ede ko Kylian Mbappe enso ede ne hat-trick ball so ahye ne motie mu a Messi na nkasa the lion the king na nkasa no go to na nkasa enso ejina wo mu fifi na ono so no tumi provide most of the assist and also ebo asa players nyina ama wo mu nya hat-trick no nti ube se pictures no enso eroli ho no ma Messi Neymar unse picture feye papa we iconic one wo motumi atwa dachi bia no yenso yebetumi eyusu ede djuma ho ma bibia enso ekoye bodo this time no wo mo so etumi bounce back wo mo etina fie ehye kano miensa ama Met former John Boy team no enso edincho ho wo mo team baako ho ene Angers enso ehye baako sanso ana Los Leon no enso etumi ehye baako AS Monaco ehye kano mienu ho no ma ene Troyes enso etumi etimu baako ho Stade Brestois ekewu team no etina fie ama wo mo so ekun etipenko a wo mo ne FC 90s so no enso ebo 1-1 Holland enso ehye 3 goals to nothing OGC Nice Gautier ene ni team no wo mo so entumi anye hwe Strasbourg etumi ehye baako sanso an Olympique Lyonnais enso etumi ehye baako na big game no enso etumi eba so kra Stade de Vélodrome no Olympique de Marseille enso ehye 2 goals sanso ana Montpellier enso entumi ensimu aje ene nia eno so no results etoja over the weekend French Ligue 1 ni mu a yedi ni nyina enso eba say na league table no enso ete Paris Saint-Germain already played and 31 games, you know, one so was 71 points, one more plus of 42 goals. And a woman de air course as no Olympic de Marseille and so I was 59 points at Chelsea Gabuni Sunye Papa Paris Saint-Germain ran away leaders no woman so at the air course Stade Rennais and so etosumienu El Honoma woman so essence sa woman so air co El Honoma bibianso etumi eye kama yenda ye ni fanche German Bundesliga ni enkwahwe se the results no etumi ekoye El VfB Stuttgart etina fiama Borussia Dortmund no etumi ekoshe by 2 goals to nothing woman to me anti Abranti friend Julian Brat no and so a free bench ebe ball 2 goals ni nyina enya the 3 maximum points no edema ene Borussia Dortmund ama bibianso no etumi eye kama Bayern Munich no after defeat UEFA Champions League ni mu womo ebetna Allianz Arena ehye kan ba kon ama Augsburg nso no etumi anti Honum Wolfsburg and so etumi ehye 4 sanso ana million Bielefeld etumi ensimu ajay Cologne and so ehye kan miensa ama Mainz 05 no and so etimu mienu Greftafort no etina fi ama Borussia Mönchengladbach ekobone kan mienu a ono so etumi anti Honum sanso na Hertha Berlin and so etina fi ehye kan ba kuma Union Berlin ekobone by 4 goals to 1 woman so enya da emphatic away victory woman so ede eko ene bokum etina fi ene bio for Leverkusen and so ebo 0-0 entra Frankfurt no and so etina fi ama ne Freiburg and so echo born by 2 goals to 1 woman so ede eko Leipzig the last game no etina fi and so eshe ene Hoffenheim by 3 goals to nothing woman so enya da away winner woman de eko say na table no so etie Bayern Munich having played 29 games you know woman ewo 69 points sanso na Borussia Dortmund no woman so having played 29 games you know woman so ewo 60 points at Chelsea 9 points different and I separate Bayern Munich a woman that first you know any Borussia Dortmund a woman that second na Chelsea said the nyoma kɔ ne disi na bekwa na Chelsea Bayern Munich no esan retain title no ama bibianso no etumi aye kama ye de ehonsem nyina no enso edan etie for ho no ye bekɔ ne yaka akɔhwɛ said ya enenu Italian Scudetto no games no enso esi ekoye ewo de Serie A ni mu no unim se games do na enso etumi etojwa AC Milan entumi ehun so hwe game ekɔ so ewo Torino AC Milan ekoto a Torino ama womo ebo 0-0 ama obibia entumi anshego ehonti ema anase AC Milan dream no eno so eya tonsiom a womo modembo no eya ba fam AS Roma enso etina Stadio Olimpico ebo AS Salernitana enso by 2 goals to 1 as game way enyamo honsem edi ye no enya sem ketwa ewo honom a ye de ehonsem so no etujwa Napoli etina Estadio ene Maradona Stadium wo ama womo so etina ma Fiorentina enso ebehye by 3 goals to 2 a womo so ede ekosa solo ehye 2 sanso na Atalanta etimu baako Venezia ehye baako Udinese enso ehye mienu Genoa ehye baako ama Lazio ko bowo mo by 4 goals to 1 a ene Mauricio Sarri mrante no enso etumi enya da away victory womo de eko Juventus eko away to Cagliari eko share by 2 goals to 1 a womo so ede eko ana Inter Milan enso etina fie ehye Verona by 2 goals to nothing Empoli enso etumi etina fie ama enenu womo Spezia obia enso entumi anhye bi honoma ye de ehonsem nyina no base na league table no etie AC Milan 68 points having played 32 games no ekra 68 points honomo Inter Milan womo so about 31 games womo kra 66 points 2 points different nemomo no Inter Milan ewo game in hand womo so womo betumi abo Napoli to sumi 32 points and as 66 points and womo having played 32 games ewo honomo Juventus 32 games played 62 points and womo so etumi accumulate ewo honomo ye de ehonsem nyina no enso etumi ede abramo yenko La Liga Santander ni yenko hwese their results no enso etumi ekoye over the weekend Barcelona endrada etumi eko away esanso eko sheka no porpore miensa ewo honomo ama Levante etimu mienu ewo honomo Elche etina fie ma Real Sociedad eko share by 2 goals to nothing Espanyol etina fie ebo Celta Vigo by 1 goal to nothing Osasuna so no etina fie eshe Alaves by 1 goal to nothing Santos Real Madrid etina Estadio Santiago Bernabeu ebo 2 goals wo honomo ama Getafe enso entimi ensimu aje Villarreal any Athletic de Bilbao ebo 1-1 honomo na Mallorca enso etumi eshe Atletico de Madrid by 1 goal to nothing sa game no Abrante ye friend no Baba Idrisu Ghana International no Abrante no etumi enya injury ene no womode ne to striker so a ono so womode ne ko ye hwe said that any injury situation no said they scan ne ba bonten a ye no so ye de ba beto etiefu enum no bi bia so no ehun said there any injury situation no enso Cardiff nso no etina fia ma Real Betis ekobo no by 2-1 woman so de eko and the last game no Seville etumi etina ene Ramos Sanchez Pezjuan enso echechere eka no enan eso a Granada ma woman so etimu mienu stay in our standings no enso etie Real Madrid having played 31 games no woman ekura 72 points sanso na Barcelona eradi Yesu Barcelona etumi aba beto so second o woman about 30 games woman so ekura ene 60 points woman de eko Seville about 31 with 60 points sanso and a 4th position defending champions Atletico de Madrid and so about 31 games woman kura 57 points woman so ede eko horma yede etu etiefu enima bibia enso kama yemremu the best league and the most exciting league in the world. Niyankosha results and also epuemu hima lizi kromu no say na results no and so etumi ekopiemu Manchester City and rather big game ana womu tumi ede ebo eni honomo ewe Etihad Stadium no Manchester City etumi ehye kanu mienu sanso ana Liverpool and so etumi ehye mienu ama bibianso no etumi kama honomo sa game we no just 1 point no eno ana mu Kevin De Bruyne etumi enya first goal Diego Jota and so etumi etekano abrante friend Gabriel Jesus ono nso ni nemu ebenya second goal di Manchester City ana abrante aye friend no ene Sadio Mane amani amehunu ono nso etumi ebenya the equalizer no a game no ekowie 2-2 hono a womo so ede eko Brentford no etumi etwa West Ham by 2-0 ama womo so ede eko King Power Stadium no Leicester City etumi ehye 2 goals sanso na Crystal Palace no enso etumi etimu ba ko Daniel Amate ene Jordan Ayew ekoye enemies King Power na emomo no abrante friend no Amate eba victorious ono so enya nkunimdi no over Jordan Ayew hono a ye dia honsem no enso to Norwich nso no Burnley by 2-0 sanso ana Aston Villa nso tena Villa Park ama Tottenham Hotspur Antonio Toto Conte team no womo so ekreja etumi ball goals makoma enaya womo so ede inform abrante friend no Son Heung-min etumi bag hat-trick any the inform abrante friend no Dusan Kulusevski ono so etumi eshego abrante buy no from January transfer no so far me hunu so no the best signing ewo EP onimu a ono so etumi ababe pemu an shego bia no a ono so etumi ema assist ama bibia so no kama Emirates Stadium Arsenal etumi etna fie ama Brighton and Hove Albion ekwochechere kanemienu so awoma womo etumi anti Thomas Partey entumi ambosa game we be our injury intenya dia otumi boy Southampton etna fie ama Chelsea the Blues after having conceded 7 goals in their last 2 games before this particular fixture no womo so etumi eteni nyoma around enya 6-0 away emphatic victory over Southampton womo so ede ehwa bibianso no etumi kama Mason Mount elbow 2 goals sanso na Timo Werner elbow 2 goals Kai Havertz womo nyina etoto ntena ama bibianso no etumi aboa Chelsea ahead of Santiago Bernabeu ochena nipa be ye hofin anasa game we no ebetumi abaso a Chelsea enya sa win we a womo aye sa training no fama kama womo de Watford etina fie ama Marcelo Bielsa and the former team aye friend Leeds United chechere kanemi ensanso womo entumi anti sanso na Newcastle kana ba ku Wolves entumi anti team ba kwa na nimu gu ase papa wi Paris Saint-Germain everywhere teams are womo all the players and I say all the materials available anke wo se womo nye bibi wo wiase enchire wiase bibi no we 2 teams pe ana wo wiase wi Paris Saint-Germain na dia oba ene Manchester United because Messi any Ronaldo ana womo nyina wo sa 2 teams na Paris Saint-Germain enim guase akwa bafuo yi uba England teams a womo kunipa ni mu asekura wiase nyina 2 teams womo nie Everton etna Goodison Park etumi Manchester United by 1-0 Everton eba this game we no about 7 games 1 draw kra no nyaye wetumi aba she Manchester United by 1-0 intenim guase and sa game we no ye the Ronaldo ne honsem eba Ronaldo akọ papa yakoda 14 years in the phone we phone dey ahwe Yesu ya dia honsem Bayern League table no say na Manchester City having played 31 games no one more ekra 74 points and so and Liverpool and so ekra 73 points one more nyina about 31 games one more the Echo Chelsea having played 30 games no 62 points so and Tottenham Hotspur and so about 31 games one more 57 points and one more the Echo Manchester United. Okay, Obeba no abetom se kukro 10th position say wo Patrice Vieira ejuma or the Crystal Palace ebona minje ndi say United betu Ziggy video of the day Cristiano Ronaldo Ziggy yanko video of the day abranti pa ege ye dia monone stories nesi video of the day Cristiano Ronaldo say me count here we ye about be ye 5 times Abrante say results and koya oh yes adi the last time oyebi e wo World Cup qualifiers yasi ma ye boya Abrante no wow woman Portugal national team woman wo som woman na se we lose game na badge no captain handband uji na wo dia perform na we tietia so yes
we kai in 2018 Portugal national team I think say na media guys be approaching somewhere the interview aje microphone ka atouching so ya
okay maame no yentie 14 years boy no ne maame asemodi betugani o sa ne ba no 14 years ne ba no ye Cristiano Ronaldo fan but tama Ronaldo e wo ho na brand abofra ni so on person de be ba stadium tama wo Man United aso na obekọ Madrid nti ne ba ne betete ne ba ne nya be from 10 years eba no o tete ni say whenever Madrid eba be game wo England bia na say be bi no chenchena ne ma memfa ni ntu kwan abranti aye ken so no oye Aston Villa fan o yes oye Villa fan on ne ma me ni parent oye Villa fan but no okay oye Villa supporter men kan say because support yes oye Villa supporter but ono ne ye fan of Ronaldo nti how ne maame fa ni ntukwan nkɔhwɛ Ronaldo keke ne maame ntumi amfa abufre ya nkwa na nyame nchade last season Ronaldo asan be pm wo England nti na apai enokra ne maame se wa ha abufre ya ha na wamfa na nkɔ te when bra game a ene wo mo ne Man United ebo no se ne o se ye o de abufre bɛkɔ na efe ya abufre wo de phone ya ma abufre na won apon game ni mpo awie nti abufra o adema Cristiano Ronaldo so much for so many years 14 good years in here womo we abufrei ni yefu ne ma me yemu nyina wo sa abufra ne suya Ronaldo na won apon game na abufra 0-0 won twa selfie na Ronaldo dey bo phone to fam into do wo hwemu a wo say ank wo be hu sin no bo phone to fam na phone wo mo kira papers na reporting wo mo kira phone ni mu apai ebien enya 2 cracks
me send over ko to bi amano ntina nya bibia
o so de ne ba be o ka ko o de ne ba be she United game o Old Trafford
so be to bi amano
benye fe
also to be
benye fe
I think say Ronaldo a very fantastic player, one of the greatest footballers in the history of football, but the one or two attitudes be or I know come in a man be do baby and now I'm criticizing a kakra and these are some of the things fine so now you're ready so in the picture no problem but me more phone no and fan to move or yakoda so yakoda no add mao and Ronaldo is because of the supporters and the fans any movie so here and nipa ni wa uni wo nso nu nipa ni wo
40 years
I think say here big apology so the yakoda no and na busi
and Ronaldo release we kama wapacha
wapacha on phone for
phone there so to
iPhone 13 bi na on fa kama akoda no na fin so making sure say Manchester United home games on be nyina for the rest of the season no ama akoda no be hwe bi
o so hwehwe ba ku bi game bia United ebebo home a eye crucial so no state one win crucial match
no san ko lose anana kuma be
wo mo ne Liverpool again
Everton put na obo phone and as ekoye eyidia okolusu also crucial game yani Liverpool kwa shawa Yeah, so only Liverpool no oko away. Into me, according to me, go show. Like I say, rest of the season, United games on the rest of the season. Oh, Trafford.
I'm fanning shiny in
upon me answer and just Yimano.
Because I shiny alcohol and be to me, I support to Messi.
Sunny,
I could swing, Papa.
Could I be a queen of Yakusha Messi and games about Tiafo?
Okay, tidbits around the world of sports, creme de la creme, and I know the Abedino, Krobia Asante.
All right, Krobia Asante. And I am an insem, and so no, it's me a buy. Yeah, so far the weekend, Ghana Premier League, it's me a course. So, Ghana ha na enye fidia grow. You know, Sansona, Uku so the Division 1 league, you know, and so it's me to Jana. Mame for Division 1 league, you know, results, you know, and fan to Jana and fan Zone 1 in here. Zone 1, Division 1 League 2021-2022. Steadfast, Etna Fiachi, Wasunta, Ebon, Camino, Emma Nitimu Baku, Young Apostles, and Etna Fie Emma in Sotraman FC, Ebe shown by 2-0. Dreams Tamale, and Etna Fie Echi, BA United, Ebon, Camino, Emma Nitimu Baku, Waya Sen FC, and Etna Fiachi, Unity FC, SN Camino, Emma Nitimu Baku, Bofa Quatano, Osu Ye Pebre, hey! Tano Bofakwa etena fie eche Mighty Royals ebo ne kabakwa ono so entimente Kintampo FC enso etena fie ma Tamale City ebe se ne kabako ono so entimente Bafo Sports Academy etena fie eche Boga All Stars ese ne kanum ema Boga All Stars etimu mienu sanso ne neno Zone 1 Kranza Warriors ene Brekum Arsenal enso ebetimi abo ene Zone 1 results no Zone 2 ni nie Boko ni the Future Stars Academy etena fie any Holy Stars ebo 0-0 new Adubiase enso etena fie niama nkoye Lewin entimi amogo wanyina mukrampo entimi ampia bi anfama new Adubiase etena fie ama Sokwa Deportivo ebe se ne kan mienu wentimi ante Swedro Blacks enso se kan mienu ama Mysterious Abonto Drafts etimu baako Samatex etena fie Osama Boy etimi eche Wasaman FC Ebon Kabakwa went to me anti Pacific Heroes and certain fie any Unistar Academy. It me ebo 1-1 Soccer Intellectuals etna fie eche BYF Academy. Ebon Kamyunu Emma Nitimu Baku secondi Azakes etmi tna fie Wesipon etmi eche Enzema Koroko. Ebon Kamyensa Emma Enzema Koroko etimu mienum ene Atiken FC and SKFC also ebetumi abo ene Zone 2 results etimi etodwa eno Zone 3 ni Inter Allies any Golden Kicks epo 0-0 Mighty Jet etna firma Liberty Professionals ekobo mekamiensa emo mutimu bako Vision FC enso she kanaba ko akosomo Crystal Palace entimi anti Akachi All Stars etna firma Tema Youth ekobo ne kamiensa ema ni timu bako Uncle T United etna fie eche Nani FC we na big game ebo Nania ekabako anino Nani FC enso no entumi anti Accra Young Wise etna fie ema Kotoku Royals ekobo ne kamiensa Accra Young Wise etimu mienu Heart of Lions enso etna fie Okpando etumichi Kwabibrem United ebo ne kamienu ema Kwabibrem etimu bako Susubiribi enso etna fie ese kano mako 9 ema Accra City Stars enso no etumi etimu bako a yede ama yetie fonti winning Division 1 Zone 1 Zone 2 Zone 3 results a yenso no yetumi ede atuja ede ama yetie fo enye fere gro nti anonso no ensem bako a efiri oba yede ama yetie fo ne enko na feso no yenko piemu ewo ye Ghana Premier League over the weekend matches enonso no etumi toja ne enfa results ne nyina enfa toja enfa ma yetie fo na ese enya sim kuma kra na anota awo Ghana Premier League ni ma na je se games ne mu awodo ni nyina no emu odin na afenso no teams ne bi ensera hu amwa no na se ensera enye ni kasa na akopiemu a awo ye Ghana Premier League na say na results no etie Dreams FC etna fio Theatre of Dreams any 11 Wonders etumi abo 1-1 Bechem United etna fie Bechem na nafosu gi abo park ese eye bibie no Gold Stars ekaba ko a ono soro wantumi anti Brekum Chelsea ɛtena fie Brekum Golden City Park ɛte Lagos Cities ɛbɔ ne kabako ɔno nso no wantumi anti Great Olympics Olimasi Oli Nkonsonkonso Oli Okoman Oli Juluju ɛtena fie ɛwɔ the Nations Wembley Accra Sports Stadium ɛtumi bɔ Ariana Stars ɛka mienu ɛma Ariana ɛte mu baako wei no na surprise victory ɛdema Great Olympics mediama du asemenua ɛtumi tena fie ɛwɔ Yetakwa Akun Park ɛte Real Tamale United ɛbɔ ne ka mienu a RTU nso no ɛtumi ɛte mu baako Elmina Sharks ɛtena fie ɛtumi bɔ Ken Faisal ɛka baako Elmina Ken Faisal team no ɛnso no ɛntumi ante Asante Gold ɛnso ɛtena fie ɛwɔ Boase Lenkley Sports Stadium ɛte West African Football Academy wafa ɛsɛ ɛka no baako nsia ama ne wafa nso no ɛntumi ante Accra Lions ɛtena fie ɛbɔ Karela ɛka baako a ɔno nso no ɛntumi ante okopie mu Kumasi Papa Yara na ɛsɛ ne no Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko ɛtumi te Heart to Folk ɛbɔ ne ka baako a ɔno nso no wantumi ante abrante ne de ne Frank Thierry Etuga Mbela ɛna Poko no ɛtumi ɛrema Asante Koroko a ɔmo nso no ɛtumi nya nkonimdie sei ana Premier League table no ɛteɛ ɛwɔ Ghana ha Asante Koroko ɛdi after 24 matches no ɛwɔ 52 points tienie Koroko ɛdi nkan ɛwɔ 52 points Bechem United ɛtɔ so mmienu ɛwɔ 44 points Boboko anini ɛde mediama ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa ɛwɔ yɛ 39 points ɛnan ɛyɛ Great Olympics ɔno ɛkura 39 points enum ɛnso no ɛyɛ Rihanna Stars the Oja Boys ɛkura 39 points Heart to Folk ɛtɔ so nsia Hearts ɛtɔ so nsia ɛnso no 6th position ɛkura 36 points Brekum Chelsea ɛtɔ so 7th position ɛwɔ 36 points Karela United ɛtɔ so 8th position ɛwɔ 33 points Obosa Ashanti Gold ɛtɔ so 9th position ɛkura 31 points Dreams FC ɛtɔ so 10th position ɛkura 31 points Accra Lions ɛtɔ so 11th position ɛkura 30 points Lagos Cities ɛtɔ so 12th position ɛkura 30 points Ken Faisal ɛtɔ so 13th position ɛkura 29 points BBN Gold Stars ɛtɔ so 14th position ɛkura 29 points 11 Wonders ɛtɔ so 15th position ɛkura 25 points Real Tamale United ɛtɔ so 16th position ɛkura 25 points West African Football Academy wafa ɛtɔ so 17th position afi nneɛma nkoye mfama wafa ɛkura 23 points ana afi nso nea wawie ɛnso no ɛyɛ Elmina Sharks a ɔtɔ so 18th position a okura 18 points Elmina Sharks ɛtɔ so 18th position ɛkura 18 points when Ghana Premier League table na yɛnso no yɛde ama etie for top scorer chart ne ana goal king chart ne nie Abrante Osina kan ɛdama Asante Koroko Frank Thierry Mbela Etuga watumi abɔ 16 goals Bright Ejay bɔ ball ɛdama Rihanna Stars ɛbɔ ne manane Mr CNN watumi asɛ 12 goals Yao Anom Asante Gold asɛ 11 goals Augustine Okra ɛwɔ Bechem United watumi abɔ 10 goals ana afei nso no David Apagna Sundown ɛnso no wɔ RTU a watumi abɔ 8 goals out the Ghana Premier League. And I'm telling you, when fixtures are and games are over the weekend, it's me toja our Ghana Premier League. Nama yari ama eti for samba kumi yenu Ghana Premier League unsa Samuel Nkom and Kumasi it's me born a double game and ma Accra to Folk a Branton Epemu in the 59th minute. Ebi Sakai and my Heart to Folk team na Opanoshe just in number 52 and it is Samuel Nkom. For my Krobia Santikoroko player, FC Basel, Black Star Material. It's me upon your debut game, Edema. Had to fool. Can Faisal catch it, coach Nuruddin Amadou. News about Papano. Ejani Nadim, Eddie Guru, or 16 ton time when Yan Juman Beam and Fama, Kumasi, Base, Can Faisal. 7 straight matches. Can Faisal and Winnie Bakokra. Branton Chan. Ose Jumano ontumi nye bimtino coach Nuruddin Amadou Edema Ken Faisal ono so no etime jai Jumano ede atoa ono so ko na wakona ko di ne yere enso aduane ewo hono mtino mafisam yemfansi ne medi nkomo ewo fie obetime do agin chere fa Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook odo agin chere fa wa Yen so be kinkan area ma WhatsApp and so no 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755. Waiting the message about good afternoon staff. AK number 1 for short. Hope the weekend went well. Oh. I am wishing Chelsea FC good luck for tomorrow's game. Unfortunately, our qualifying is very slim to proceed to the next stage. Richard inside Noasu City, Odumasu Krobo. And I did a message. And so, to me, Eddie Abba Atanga Bernard, or say I'm watching you live from Kuntuna. Say, we thank God for this day. Oh. Good afternoon to Sylvia Asumadu, Bosomche, NPP woman organizer. So, no, pa, now you say, Abichiana Yere, now you say, Oko, and you're so there, now you say, I can't add a tumsa. No, so, I can't name, I say, Bibi, and so no, to me, I kama. And so, I will Jimedi, and so, okay. Messages, no. I say, yeah, and it's about. I be repairing back in kind of, and so now the amount. Krobia Santua, Krobia Samoa, Kwaba Beam.
Okay.
Yeah, brand quote, yeah, but we knew so much shaman and best man, me and Sabia. And you didn't come off. You Liverpool, Manchester City, Man United against Everton, Kunimidian and Fama United, FC Barcelona, and that to me, we need over Levante 3-2. Barcelona in the second on the league log or the Spanish La Liga. Baby, I saw the fast. Mammy and Sa, Europe.
Well, okay, Yenchia, TFO bill, TFO bill, ye bana, Bibia, and so any come okay, and draw the big game on the day, no, na Ghana ha, any England. We share game a course so Liverpool. And Manchester City, no, this time for the past, the last 5 seasons, I say rivalry and say between United and Liverpool and yenim for a very long seasons, especially under Ferguson time, I think say this time, a year I could do the side of. Say beye the air classic ebenya England no rather ba beye Manchester City and Liverpool per standard won apeja wo ho ayeden akwakodu ene where wo hwe how wo mo eputi wo ho on the map no it seems say wo mo set bibi na going forward if the other teams now can especially United into me make amends. I'm Sesanioma and I'm beje that sport now for another 5 years, 10 years, you become different story. Then we will be having City and Liverpool as the Air Classico. You be to me England and I say EPL because these two sides when we see a game one more ball, even the managers are available to each side, and cry any idea then easy. And the quality of play, enya dia ube to me akasetia and as ube to me downplay. Very, very, very top-notch football, very beautiful football. You could see quality from the bench, quality on the pitch, quality from the stance, and the quality of managers. I want more dagger out in and as a touchline. And these are very good readers of the game in judging club and Pep Guardiola and Ryan a gamer. Now a very decisive game, and yet the league is open as to who wins it after all the 38 games are able to me abono. And Oshe going into this particular fixture now Liverpool equal to Etihad at their last 5 meetings, and yeah they are to me register a single win. Then from 2010 out to Endra game and Babe Bono now Liverpool. Encore Etihada woma back with a clean sheet. A draw, a scoring draw, a defeat. I come with a heavy defeat. Now we to me the alcohol. But Dano, yes, answer him say how that particular game is going to be unfair. And share the point gap and our more corner. It was 73-72. Liverpool him say onya that particular winner. A bit to me ama sang the Manchester City home by 2 points gap. No, so it's me actually so be winning league, Then another chance for Manchester City for them to also extend the lead because now one more ahead of Liverpool by a point. One more training sanko one all the 3 points. Then no more stand there they got 4 points. And yen share the starting 11 both coaches in they buy. Both teams, on the field of play, say referee no born abeno. Yen share players, the coaches, any how a game na flow. Meaning say both teams, be anywhere or bad game with an intention of even going home with a draw. Be anywhere not draw no a favor no because they came in very clear. But anka if acquire that team, I will say if Edu baby a team like Manchester City, the first goal now because after all, me leading the panel already and me first goal, I have to be very comfortable on the ball. Now maybe set of defensive work to me, but one more open up a game 90 minutes free flowing football. To me share high quality of play, high intensity of play, and we share the reactions are Liverpool City footage and no more battle, one more share, no more battle. Now I think say you share a very good game and a very positive for both teams. And one way to me I say standard one way to me I set it up our league in this and adding say team be able to me about because these are teams are always be one more add up quality to their side. And Chelsea said this season and go back to me IBB due to performance one more my Europe. Sanka this season one more to me a challenge for at least if not Sanka one more winning and that gaba and they wish Man City it should have been another a point or two behind Liverpool. But so far, we have got to maybe Chelsea in Sheda, who could to and on our the crash him and young as a Bafem crying. I bet 2 horse race this time. I signed Edeko and game and Raiki. I think say it was very, very fantastic game. Yeah, so here to me, it's up to them. Say Obibia is either the other side team a draw, then also draw a okay. And as we lose now we winning now the advantage. And I say one winning winning say they see last season want to me at the 1 point winning. I think say Sani able to me because it will be very hard for any other team to stop these two teams. The last game 7 games will be very, very, very hard. Say me any other team aside these two teams, so be to me are competing with them. So I'll be prevent any of them from winning the league. So it's up to the two teams, So then at the end of it all, it'll be to me who deserve it, and then the modern boy deserves to be to me a winning league, Now wait to me a winning league, Echo. Okay, quick on Serie A anymore. I think say AC Milan for so many years. This is the time one. Anka womu enya time say womu be to me higher than to me a winning league, And performance one more adanedia throughout this season. Injury situations in Adia a buying one more to me enya good results. But against Womoni Torino, I knew before the game say this is not a gamer. AC Milan never win. But for a team who ultimately who win the league here, it is a 1-4 from now winning such game and then draw no and a favor. This time 2 points between Womoni Inter Milan, the defending champions, and Inter Milan a game in hand on the Bologna and able. Definitely it looks obvious Inter Milan able to me that 3 points, and one more better AC Milan top. And the momentum any quality in terms of quality any depth, Inter Milan war ahead of these two teams in India. And one more Inter Milan able top the group now. It will be very hard to me and catch up. And make sure him say Inter Milan one more to me put things together. Now one more to me every one more subsequent games. They've been solid in terms of playing with the big six. We share AC Milan, AC Milan and Casa, only Inter Milan, Napoli, Juventus, AS Roma. One ball every couple of games ahead of these two teams. Into competitors, who to me winning, who to me Chirewama na Oshawamo. Then those middle table teams, Oma worry from winning the league now. I think say very bad from AC Milan. Ombo Koso Ashwe Nyoma Yena. Omo to me as a son. Napoli had the opportunity and after taking the lead, Sanka Womonso able to me Enya. And by now they should have been top with 69 points, followed by AC Milan 68 points. But Endra woman so a bottle up one early lead a woman ama Fiorentina etumi eba share woman honum. So I think say leagues, this winning league are very, very interesting. Barcelona eguswa eye jumano, but I think say a bad thing. So far the position I want to do the second spot a plus to any Javi and Barcelona. Looking at all the circumstances, now a fame from the start of the season ever into the middle, and Sana Ronald Koeman will pave the way for Abranti friend of Javi. And in short term, you know a good worker, Javi is to me about. And from next season, I think say they are going to give a Real Madrid a run for their money next season in the La Liga topic.
Okay, and here Krabi Asante quick one. Are there a free amanane? And so etimi aba yemedi nkomo ofie weekend na action nyina ejina Kumasi Papa Yara Asante Koroko and so any crop Hatefuk and etimi a boy the castle hold so 80 Okoman 97.1 Okoman 97.1 Okoman Global Sports and an area oda so uti medin Kwame Amponsah Addi with my friend AK Krabi Asante wa ha na yetin komo Krabi enhwe Ghana Premier League. Attention was on the El Clasico Ghana version. Asante Koroko. And so no, it's me and Kunimdi over Hatefuk. Yen shesa game no.
Yeah, okay. I think that before that game, Nuruddin Amedu, and then oni Kinfesa, it's me every and me and news. Obekaya from the start of the season, maybe can't say me semasa. A manager first 10 games or boy Olusu 2, a win 6, a draw 2. Performance and all Danedi. First 5 games he was on top of the league log and nakoto konso edimua. And I think say the money be who cry say Oshe Kotoko in the first leg, then in the FA Cup or Sanche and performance and our mode bano that momentum na din team be able to me so. Womano and yenina who commenter bankroller Alhaji Grusa etumie passe say he say no CEO yenina yenimu say ompe local coaches no asem so be power and on one kasa babe kasai after this good run from Nuruddin or the mark in face ano obekan say oh and ya do obekwa akofo broni biu but okay Ushe from there, bank a crank now. We 5 matches, be no we win back. But we do ushe the last 7 games. We're losing and not even say we lose keke. 7 games without a single goal. 7 good games without a single goal. She go be and are they very, very terrible for any other teams will be containing a manager of such an or massa bad results. So I think say. A good call, but Kinfesa anka one more expectation, a cosro. The first 6, 7, 8 games, Emma one more Reziba no could do a certain height of which na team a one more squad manager in terms of Ribiano na one more draw, but because of say season, dada wa mo kakra ni into early season dada wa mo na expectation ne ko soro and ma large back can same piece obini FA Cup in the league ni adi nyina no and I think say tumi aya adi bia aye shock krampo ama wo mo say baby a wo mo ko no counter wo mo tumi asa ke openi no andra action no ekoso e wadi Baba Yara Sports Stadium and on Friday ye baha ebeka a lot ahead of this game. The first game encounter I also Ewa Accra Sports Stadium. You know how the two teams fare. You know how Coach Samuel Boedu and any Prosper Nate Ogum set up their teams and how the players also react on the field of play. And you know the outcome of the game at the end of the 90 minutes in the first leg. Then came in the President Cup, that particular game, and the Samuel Boedu, etumi ejusu tactical experience any BBR etumi the BT Prosper Nate Ogum and in the Kotoko in the President Cup awumunya da win. Na hu be hia say okay mpenefo kasa say utia obinanso baako mienu maybe imprensa no edin and it was time for Nate Ogum so no so be to me retaliate and also be to me reacting in a positive way going into this particular fixture. Obo ewo venue this season when a very good run, and ahead of this game, now the last now about 9 games ewo home. We to me winning 9 games ewo home. Yes, we to me winning 9 home games what the Elko game this particular game, and Andrade making a 10 wins ewo home this season, and I think say very good. So that game na ehube hia so be react, and Kotoko said ya nyina ye nim no Kotoko has it's not about say we win the league, because we to me win the league then has to folk so when to me and Shena almost fans me they down there me hwehwa ne say yen ye be hyemo, and when to me and Shena na oje league same as Kotoko into almost so beka enti anytime bia these two teams obi bia war in the run of winning the league bia the most important thing say we win the league, the most important thing is say obako be to me asho obako, then we win the league na to me amana ye the end. And I think say Prosperity Ogum in the first 2 games anko yama no and so to me atena say INA exercise ye, and then draw it paid off for him, and how she set up how our bad game nimu going out without me to me like I said this particular season the best player in Richmond Lamptey anywhere, and offer the defensive area Abrante Ayefreno Ganiu, the captain of the side, and so absent now very very difficult. Abrante in their last game or partner or ball for New York partner you see if Mubarak ye against Kifes or Bon ye Abrante Ayefreno justice play ahead of the game or no way to me a pry last minute any training na one year ahead of the game or no to me pry na a putty coach Afreno Prosperity Ogum in a certain dilemma, but of finding a way out the young child from Division 1, Abrante friend of Maxwell Ajimai, or also a Bemu, the minute to me boy, he was okay, he gave out the best, and he who certain good tackles or no to me. Haso folk mekan ewaha Friday no say Adiba ko ebedi has nya pa do Abrante friend no Sule Muntari eba has team nimu encheye. But one particular area and one person has of folk ebe Messi ye I be to me the team ninya no the absence of Abrante friend Usule Ali Muntari. Me kasa about ni set piece, how will take in the corners anyhow or method wa ni leadership experience and as any leadership quality anyhow or set up the method that pep talk on the players in the middle when say break be a bemwa utumu say very fantastic ne time oba has of folk nyina and sa nyoma we nyina ya dia andra ubi say has of folk team MSC okay on the field of play say especially in the first half on the day Kotoko really dominated. They had most of the ball in the first half in terms of possession, PBR, one more created lots of chances in the first half, and House of Folk defense to me making sure say one more prevent one from scoring until Abrante friend Nuruddin acquire that soft touch, because yes, a soft touch and I made to me a canon, and it was up to the coach and I said the referee no say Obeji and so on set decisions be like this okay you bet to me akasa aka fa ho but up to referee no center line no so Obeji and so on this particular incident say referee na anje me who any wrong say referee no anje as a penalty, but George in so the where sir ye dey qualify certain penalties. And Mimi, yes, and Mimi when he said it was a soft one, and we've seen soft penalties being given. We've seen hard penalties not even being given. Because yes, so I think say for that part, remember the referee the benefit of the doubt. Our referees in our local scene, they've not been on their best. One more said that, and they always be a young referees in the modern body a fem. And then yeah about when you say. Because of say Kotoko has an a raisy alarm. Yeah. Because of say Kotoko has an a raisy alarm. Koshe Kotoko versus 11 Wonders. Koshe Kotoko versus Mediama. Koshe House of Folk versus Mediama. Koshe House of Folk versus Elmina Sharks. Koshe Kotoko penalties are almost winning this season. Not share that of House of Folk penalties are almost winning this season. And we feel say women are big teams, So when such dubious, in quotes, dubious decisions are being taken, na one more fans ne ade nyina kata so yente ho hwe silly we pa penalties na wo mu wini but ekoma won a yoki nti edu a situation where mu two teams no nyina mo ba be hia and when how enenu razy hey it was soft and no dey obi bia it was soft but a referee and obe to me take a decision and I think say in all a very good game has of folks minimum and Dra disappointed me.
I think that especially in the first half. Now who the game plan?
Yes.
I think say Oshe coach Samuel Boyd in the formation in the midfield. Now Obo Abrante Nuruddin Abdulaziz Abrante Salim Adams Anna Glatton Awako.
Yeah.
And Glatton Awako
I didn't see him.
Yes, I didn't see him. And Oma Kodoko midfielders and Sheriff Mohammed and then Agadas. Edge Jumani nyina the buga Jumanu nyina. It was only Nuruddin Aziz na no all forcing the way through to face the Kodoko midfield.
And even I don't know performance Nuruddin Danedi.
Yes.
Baby defense wa kwa defended that boy to me result into a goal and that penalty incident.
Where were the defenders? Where was
baby it was yet to say that particular place a right back I said you sanko be what that area and who say and dra ama me hu the glass na waku me hu glass na waku kra and ma Abrante friend Fabio Gama so ne ho de han no. Then we need lot of fouls we need fouls on this side because the dirty work from Salim and Aziz always be a juma to say one no a resulting into a foul end and Gama in a free row and dra Koba left right center be a uhuno el honomo defenders no okay Fatau Mohammed and drama she den hun here
Fatau there they be ameno catch you say Fatau no wasa and I think say Samuel Lincoln coming in, no, as in our joining team, no.
Yes,
would
and assist to be
nanka
inkumumano. Wow.
Yeah, if only the coach will get the confidence, so be bench Fatal because of a captain, no. Now what ball Abrante and Inkum. I think say
okay, Fatal no the will be a only ball no bossing
Larry smile far better than Fatal Mohammed. Because Fatal do baby Ojen one on just.
Fatal no the has will be only bossing that teach but and drown the day okay because minim a chance I made them in sabe pinpoint to say Sabo we and say has to folk edishego. They didn't create any chance clear cut chance power because Sabo we the player we are yade omo create clear cut chance be a honomo and dry it to me a course 1 year has to folk team no that spirit me especially in the first half of the day enye me who has to folk the spirit now one more bobo no and dra man she dey who bibia but I think say obi kan it is what it is sana maybe I just say no and Kotoko has game say so okay in all you a very good game but adeba kwa men so surprising me here the numbers awomuko pm
yes,
I wasn't impressed about.
Sika PM 600,000.
Yes, 6 billion.
Yeah, the first league, has 700,000.
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's a change of time, so count. On the now, I'm out for almost 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
I'm changing about 3. We also say we affected game, no. And then also come. I think they do, baby, well, the supporters. Me idea say change of time, problem, no.
Yeah.
I'm to me buy in their numbers.
But me when you say, okay, me crowns me when you say. And ye change of time no so anka even numbers we kran so ye nya because unim we a Sunday game ayebo and traveling from young I
this
from this side at Greater Accra kono
adwa de bebe adwuma na
ye go match 6 p.m. na wa pon time na wa batambe so mimi huni sanka that season so no ebetumi atwe nipa bi from going. Yes, and the between people from going. Most of the people and woman to me because so yeah, fun is about things saying okay, a very good game, but it was so unfortunate. Say a game, then all the discussions it was a promoting game, no, talking about referee, and it has been like this for Ghana football. It has always been like this. See, the ball games say we piano center stage, should be on our officials, should be on officiating, should be on referees. How it was very, 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 very bad because I would have wished say, share chances akotoko a creative. Anko mbo to me a shegua. If Sanke be to me a possible anko mbo shegu bi krana. Anka omu use a penalty in the film there. Anka will be very, very, very happy because a game like this, your ball first leg every wakra ye huhawa game nuko ye discuss players' performance. Any managers, any coaches will be at tactics. You go into President Kappa. You be ye how I need some do in the first leg. Then how will counter using 4-4-2 in the first leg. Then in the second leg, and as a second game, I boy in the President Kabe Obe Yusu 4-4-3 meaning say when you change of mind, wakusiade how Kotoko played in the first leg and in the second game no to me ASI changes in win a good win. Of course, the discussion was about Hasselfolk winning player performances, your players, Yabaso, Nibibia. Then today, it was unfortunate, say, Abasa, but I think saying, our referees in the Yabeko so I can, the FA, any the referees, maybe Nyoma Bina Enkuya, Wamon Fantu Tuni, and our so, Wamu, a VAR, say, and our Modibeba from next season, to me. Abua game no so kakra. I think say VR no cry one mistakes, but a bemwa at least able to me solve such any problems no kakra. And so Eddie Amayama yenya bibia clear
okay, and your crop ya sante nesema what to me Eddie atujwa enono ama akunya na so frɛ bremu 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191971. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Kobi ni.
But the Kobi College.
Kobi, bibi ay kama.
Then I don't bibi ay kama. The bad a course and that would be Ankoye.
I mean to you.
As a house of book, me da supporters in say. Any a coach in a board in the Mossy. But roughly, party no or deal roughly no. Why ye bonny? Boy no deep penalty in the Tiano, only boy no panichel, no panabush for a chow. Why Yako before bonny say, oh, be a good in the monster or look at the pie no good in the master coboni. And no penalty will James or her replay and say a Jennifer. Fine. So a Jennifer Sudia, Uncle Pep boy no pa boy in the chill. The beer moon money beer. Bonny a boy, Bobo, and a young boy, ye fair. Yenja born a born in flu. Ye rugby Ghana football, Ghana Premier League Sisiana, and need a Pia Africa because of bad efficiency. Ye bull represent Musi Derby. Now, Munya idea so here. When say no be and see Yagopo Adomo Yabedu if you was on Jemu, and say GF if walk at you and say, the Oyan one year next time, many Sabio, Nasu and Tessie. Ye per se yen year. That was it.
Yes, yeah, that's a Kobe from College Show. Sounds to me, F by 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191971. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Pacho. Didn't baby Afrefi.
Afternoon, it's Chairman Wabegwa from United. Timu Katabi, Junction.
Master Tiamo, my you.
Yo. About your work, I'm watching the break. I'll do no on chance. Now, the business, not defender, no, there's some at that damage, again. Because I didn't want to sound so. Because we say we are 18 boxing. So we said the net, the Nippon or 10, because we said they are 10 squad, but to be done. Now, one said that 18 to 10, all the penalty. And then I asked me the penalty. Do on my say you can watch them. You Okoman, Utuponi, you will be Okoman, which will get young set to walk out watch them. If you've been inside the damage in Diana, it's a bit of a penalty because Bono can do some issue with TV this year. No, this is what I work on the middle penalty to work. I got a winning.
Namisha Master Timo sounds so utmi F by 0551 667755 0551 667755. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Pacho. Didn't baby Afrifi.
Merinde Kizi Samson Galaxy Barbering Saloon. Me a man for can make the because football no do a divorce parent in a tight yes so very soft. Yaji go no abawi has to me visa, but I don't know what Mamo share chances now, couldn't chances with bree. But I wonder say has a four on the neck of Kotoko. I don't get it because I don't know where they are. No say bia because of maybe I come and maybe make us. But to share on the day, because me ambo say parent na Kotoko di wini. But Kotoko did well on the day. Kaze bre ba kwa eshimi. Me nya kwampa na nkaji on the penalty because kaze ba na be bre inja they should just understand say Kotoko deserve the win. Me that's it.
Yeah, so yeah, that's something. Say Utumi Efre by 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and chebe sorry jumedi enso be simam yenu na ya sorry jumedi enso na fin so no ne aka etimi ato aso eno ada games no to dwa na say enya sim kuma koroko enya kunimdie over Hearts of Folk na okay nhwe ha say messages ni bia bana infantu dwa infama yetie for also betimi afra 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Bachodin baby Afrifi.
It's 3 midnight.
Bachodin.
It's a Saka.
Hey, Zaka, ona you know, I chef no.
I remember shopping with the singer penny.
Yeah, my dear.
The patrol na Argentina kotokoshe hasia na debate wo mo. Le kase kotokwa debate ni mo. Lafino ana extra center ni mo. Abo no mo. Ana waji, ika no sakosmechi. Eya mo nsha rofo no boro. Abrafo ball no ye dey that ball defense wo. But ye sua ball ewo edemu. Mba atiku efio. Ball ya gba wiye ko pesika e na aba. E dey be sibi anya sia wi. It has for I won't come and talk. The next I better come on side. Thank you.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Saka self by so yeah, the best see I'm a pechina. Ever nothing so yet to me Alberto so executive producer Yera Kofi Anton Bafo, head of sports producer extraordinaire and Kofi Okori Ajiman and so no a boy Amajimedi no and say to me call so Krobia Sante what's in the writer commentator TWC and so it's me a boy Samson and name DJ Zigibi Facebook no ama nichegu kama ama also utumi FAB Samson and name no Damia Abigail and I think so no DJ Vibes a boy Medin Kelvin Amponsah Addi also with my friend Eke and I enjoy the and I say a man Eke and so enemy I mean pechna eba na feel so no yet in common ewa ha muchunka
Esa Ya som pipe Okoman Radio. Okapemai any Ghana phone na. Yeti.